Ever wondered how to make your images pop up with that magical glowing effect? Well, you're in luck because in today's video, I'm showing you a super easy way to make your images glow using Canva. So let's dive right in. Alright, so first things first, hop into Canva and open a new project. I'm working with a YouTube thumbnail canvas, but you can choose any size you like. Next, upload the image you want to give that glowing effect to. For this tutorial, I'm using this photo. So first, let's remove its background. Here comes the fun part. Click on your image, copy and paste using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V for a fast command. Next, click the copied image, then go to Edit at the top, scroll down to the Effects section, and select Duotone. Select the color you prefer. Then you can actually change the color here for the highlights and shadow. Now go back to Effects section and click on Blur. Select Whole Image, then set the intensity to 100. Next, position the copied image on your preference, then click Position at the upper right part. Now set it as backward. And there you have it, a glowing image that looks straight out of a professional design studio, all done in just a few clicks. If this tutorial sparked some creative ideas, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.